What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades. And I am just getting ready for everything still. And we have a crazy day happening. Shout out to Tom Crown. He had a great video today talking all about the Fed and all of that stuff happening. So if you guys are wondering why crypto is going down today, it's because of the Fed meeting, talking about inflation and all of that stuff. So that is why crypto is going down. But we have a crucial area right now for the internet computer, and this is going to be so critical for going forward with the price of ICP. And you guys are definitely going to want to stick around to the end to find out what we can do about that and exactly what is happening, where we're going to go from here if we do break down further, and if we do recover, where we're going to go as well. So Bitcoin is looking pretty decent, but internet computer right now, along with all the other altcoins, are taking a bit of a dive. So the cool thing is, if you look at ICP swap though, because I went right over there this morning when I saw everything was going down, NDP is actually higher than it was yesterday, even though we just had a major dump of altcoins. So these new tokens over there on ICP swap are fire. If they can withstand a dump like this, and still do good. Oh, hey, what up, Justin? What up, motivational sub and fake news? We got our people here today. Thanks for stopping by. I know you don't have much time, so I appreciate your stopping by for this. So let's get right into some action, guys, because we want to see what's happening. Eventually, I'm going to get a green screen so that you can just have me like chilling and watch that at the same time. For now, we're just kind of stuck with the Restream, or what am I on? StreamYard stuff. So let's go right into this. I want to check out first internet computer. I've been looking at this myself, and as you see, we did break down from this $6 critical support, but I do not consider this an actual breakdown yet. We are still holding this $6 level, in my opinion. This could just turn into be a wick down to touch this level as support. And if that happens, you see it's happened a couple times here where we did go down and even go under it right here and then continue to move up. So I know this isn't the same thing right here, obviously, because we did have kind of a middle candle, which I was hoping it was going to keep going up from that middle candle. But then this news came out. We need to mark this day on the calendar every month. Now, this is probably why crypto moves in cycles. One thing is people get paid on the 1st and the 15th. That is just something that America does. I'm not sure if it's all across the world, but America likes to pay on the 1st and the 15th. And then that gives like 28-day cycles, and that could be 2-week cycles, right? But most people spend their first paycheck, whichever that was, on the essentials, and then their second paycheck can kind of go to extras, right? So that's why I think it moves in 28-day cycles and not 14, as well as stuff like this, the chair meetings for the government. But let's go look and see where these moving averages are on the daily. And then we're going to go into the smaller time frames because I want to check this out. And then we're going to check out if there's any news going on that could affect, more of the price in the future as well. So don't let me forget to do news. Let's just go over here real quick and bust out this. That's ready. So the EMA 9 is where we got rejected right here. And that's why when we did break down, we didn't have any, big support levels except previous support, right? So, and that is holding up as we speak. It's at 588. As long as this doesn't break down to... Ooh, we're close too, guys. I'd say if we get down to 566, then we've broke this $6 support. And so this line is going to be pretty crucial. This is just kind of a guess, an educated guess, let's say that. And so this area is going to be big to watch. Now let's get the RSI out so you can see there's a lot of volume coming in today. That is why we are seeing this price drop. Now, look at this. We are so oversold. So the good news is there isn't a lot of room to the downside here. And this is on the daily. This isn't like the hour chart. We normally see like a 15-minute chart go way down here. To see the daily all the way down at what, 30.38? That is so low that I actually think this $6 level is going to hold just by this. Now, let's go look at a couple other things to see if that's going to be true. It's going to be on more of the smaller time frames, but let's check out the 21. Yeah, okay. So let's just go to the 4 hour because I want to see exactly how oversold we are. Look at this one. Wow. When we end up in this area, we end up pumping at least a little bit, right? So, and then it went back down and it went down further, but the RSI was less oversold. You see that? So this is manipulation. This is what normally would happen. So this is manipulation, and manipulation isn't necessarily like somebody taking and like purposely sabotaging the market, right? Manipulation can come from a form of news. It can come from a person tweeting something like Elon Musk. And this is a manipulation by the Fed. This is a Fed manipulation. They don't, every time that they talk about inflation or whatever this, whatever that, you see stuff like this happen, and these moving averages are crucial. If you see the 21 and the 9 right here, we got rejected from it. We broke the 9, hit the 21, and then got bounced down because of it, right? So that's why I'm always talking about this big area when you have two either support or resistance lines. They are going to be extra hard to break because you get through one, hit the other one immediately, and then get rejected. So we need like some superpower breakout for that. But what I want to show you is, yeah, we are oversold on everything. The only thing is the 4 hour can go down pretty far before things with ICP can recover. So, but this is a lot farthest we've been down in quite some time. If you look back on the 4 hour, I mean, ICP's done really well. So this is normal. This is a normal kind of thing with the market and what's going on. So I'm not too worried about this. I do think that we're going to hold this $6 support, but I do want to let you know if we break down to 566 or right around this area, 550, then that means we broke our $6 support, and then we will have to get above it again. That's the thing. That's why I don't want to break down below it, because if we break down below it and close, like say on the daily, let's say we break below and we close at 580. Okay, that could be okay. If we close down here at 560 something, we lose that $6 support. It's over. And then that will be resistance again. Remember what happens when it's resistance? We stay down there for quite some time. It's a big area to break out of, and it's not easy to do. That's why I want to hold this level. So whales, ICP, whales, all of you people that, can control the market, this is a good level to hold if you're going to hold the level. So I don't know who's listening to that, but, if I was you, I would try to hold this level for, the future support of this. So not like they could do much, right? I mean, you'd have to have a lot of money to control, probably at least 10 to 20 million. This has gone up 2 million since about 11:20. So 20 minutes, it's gone up 2 million in volume. And the price has gone up. So that means people are trying to hold this level. They just put $2 million in the market, like in 20 minutes. I'm not lying. I mean, if you looked at this 20 minutes ago, it would have said 69 million. And so there are people holding this level right now. That is so cool. I didn't know that. So we have this. Let's look at these smaller time frames now. Let's go to the hour. And I want to see if we're above any of these levels. And ooh, that doesn't look good. All right, let's check out the 50. Okay. 100, man. Come on. 100. Dang it. All right, last chance. 200. Not 2,000. Nope. Okay, we're under everything, even on the hour. So let's go to the 30-minute. I want to find something here that gives us support other than previous support. That's not going to be good if we don't have any support here. 21. These should be, oh no. Wait, that's a 22. What the heck? I mean, I guess that doesn't really matter by one, but yeah. So there's nothing. There's nothing but previous support. So, and that's pretty big. Look at this. On the 30-minute, look at this. I told you. And this is all green volume. This last 20 minutes, someone made a $2 million purchase. I almost want to go look on that Twitter account to see if there was a big purchase right now. I'm not even kidding. Let me go look real quick. Dude, I just got 28 more followers on Twitter. What? 87? Oh my God, look at this pinned comment over here. Okay, we're going to be giving away some crypto here. What the heck, dude? I'm definitely giving away some crypto. That is crazy. But anyway, okay, let me go to this ICP. Or it's not just ICP. Let me look. I'm going to have to go back a little ways here. Ah, there it is. Coinbase big buys. I just think that maybe some ICP was just bought. Maybe not on Coinbase, though. Could have been on KuCoin or somewhere else. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on Coinbase. Okay. Well, I thought so, maybe. But there's a lot of volume that just came into the upside, so I'm liking that. They're holding that $6 support. As you see, we're super undersold even on the 30 minutes. So I'm liking ICP. The more that I follow this crypto day to day, and see how it moves and see like the actual support that it has by obviously very wealthy individuals, another million. It just went up another million. You see that? So people are holding this level and it's going up. If it was going down, then I would say, hey, that's probably sell volume. But this is buy volume right now. That's pretty cool, guys. I do want to go into some news. Let's see if there's any news today. Let's specifically check ICP. Let's see if there's anything. And then we'll check elsewhere too. But I just wanted to see CoinDesk. Internet Computer, 593. August 17th, Affinity's ICP rebounds even as wounds fester from token launch. So they're still talking about the token launch wounds or whatever. I think we're past that, or getting past it at least, for sure. So let's see what they have to say about it. I think people are starting to come around to it. There was a lot of FUD by stupid people, Coin Bureau and others that, like to just talk crap on it for whatever reason it is, maybe partnerships that they had or whatever, but Affinity's ICP, and this is just the regular market, and they used to talk crap about ICP all the time. So it's good to see that they're starting to come around, but they're still, kind of hard on it. Over the past month, the token's price has surged 92% in digital asset markets. That's because of ICP swap, NFTs, Bitcoin flower, all of that kind of stuff. And the obvious millions of dollars coming in mere minutes. All right, that's almost another $1 million coming in there. We're almost at 73. So signaling a renewed appetite from investors. Investors are finally starting to see the value of ICP, which this guy is a genius. I've always loved the way he speaks. You can just tell he's freaking smart. And the blockchain company Affinity made headlines in May when its internet computer tokens were officially released for public trading at the price of 630, which was double more than it should have been, giving the project a $45 billion market cap. That's higher. That's like, what was it, number 4? It was definitely up in the top 10. The enthusiasm quickly evaporated as the token plunged 95% over the following month to a low of $27. But that was major market manipulation. That's because the price went up so high when it wasn't supposed to, so that FTX and, go check out, if you want to know more about it, check out Six Bigs video, Short Me Mommy, great video. I won't say any more about it. So let's see here. Since then, the token's price has doubled to more than $60. It has. It went up to 60. I can confirm that. Signaling renewed appetite. That was back, still in the beginning of the bear market, though. We didn't know if we were in a bear or bull market then. So some traders are feeling fresh enthusiasm for the token thanks to recent increase in developer activity. They're finally starting to understand what the internet computer is. It's all about developers. It's all about projects and the ICP token as well. But now they're starting to understand a little bit, at least this guy is, taking place on the network. That's despite lingering ill, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, there is a class action lawsuit. I don't know what this one's talking about, but I know that Definity was suing Meta for their logo. So that's probably not what that's talking about. They're probably talking about something else, but I don't care. According to Definity, as of July, just 10 weeks after its public trading launch, the Internet Computer had attracted 500 developers and nearly 250,000 users of its applications. That is way higher now. I wish I could get that number now, because I know that they had over 400 developers just with the Supernova Hackathon. So what? That's a total of 900 then, and there's millions of users now. There has to be. I mean, earlier this month, Definity announced that a project called District, described as the world's first decentralized social media network running entirely on a blockchain, had launched on the Internet Computer. This was supposed to have been in August. Oh, that's 2021. I thought I had a fresh article here, guys. I'm sorry. Well, at least we know what they were thinking about it back then. That sucks. Let's find some fresh ICP. Oh, great. ICP. All right. We don't want a price prediction here. Okay. Oh, look at this. Someone, I might look at this one though. Let's see. Internet Computer price prediction. ICP price estimated to reach $6.79 by August 28th. So they're predicting that we're going to hold the $6 support because August 28th is just around the corner. Or tomorrow? 2 days from now. So 2 days from now, they say it's going to go to $6.79. So hopefully they're right. Let's see. Yeah, it's down. ICP decreased 2%, 2.4. That's because, Bitcoin is down a little bit, and so is Ethereum. Okay, everything's down today. So, all right. ICP price is expected to rise 9.9% in the next 5 days, according to our Internet Computer price prediction. Let's see if I agree with that. Internet Computer down 618 is trading at 6.7. Okay, well, the coin underperformed the cryptocurrency market as the total crypto market cap decreased by 1.63% in the same time period. ICP performed poorly against Bitcoin today and recorded a 2% loss against the world's largest cryptocurrency. That's nothing, though. All altcoins have dumped today. All of them. Ethereum, everything. I don't like it when they talk like that because it makes it sound like the Internet Computer is the only crypto going down. And it is not. It is definitely doing good. So, but this, I actually agree with this. I really think that we're in for recovery soon, but that depends on how long this bear market's going to last. Let's go look at the Bitcoin chart for a minute because I just want to see if we could be in for a possible recovery from the bear market. Doesn't look like it, especially with stuff like this, right? This is the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. As you see, Bitcoin dumps, so does Internet Computer, right? It has no choice. So if Bitcoin stayed the same and Internet Computer dumped, then we have a problem. Or if no other altcoins do, then we have a problem, right? But yeah, everything's looking good. And it looks like we've hit a bottom here. There is some serious support at 20,000. Now, I want to go to the daily, though, because I want to look at the long term and see if we could be heading out of this bear market anytime soon. But it doesn't look like it. It really doesn't. Let me get this 3-day out. This looks better. See that? We're going up, hit a plateau right here. This is good news. It doesn't look so good because we're like, well, we just were up here. how could you say it's good news down here? Well, we've held this level pretty strong, right? I mean, this is a good level to hold at 20,500, let's say. So if we can hold this 20,500, now we have a higher low and a higher high from the bottom. Yeah, we have a lower high and a lower low from here, but I'm not looking at the short term. I mean the long term. Let's see. This is how, now it doesn't look that good because it's starting to build a rising wedge though. See, now the good thing about going down a little bit, okay, this is an ascending broadening wedge, is what that looks like. And that is definitely bearish. That's a bearish reversal pattern. And as you see, we did go down to the bottom of it. Now, if we break down below, 19,000 could be our next target. But if we hold this, because look at this, this is different now, we can actually see this falling wedge. And this is bullish. So we have a macro bearish pattern and a micro bullish pattern. So this is the short term, which means we might go up again. Now, that could be bad or good because if we stay in this, then we could fall harder later. But the farther that we go in this, right, the farther up we go. See, now that goes all the way up to 24,000 in November, right? So even if we hold this level and keep going up, we're good. But this is definitely a reversal pattern, and this is a continuation pattern. So, or a bullish pattern. So that to me is looking decent. But I don't like the way this looks. I do like the higher highs, the higher lows, but this ascending broadening wedge has got to go. So we really need to somehow either break out of this or break down, like for real. Maybe we do need to just go back down to 19, touch it to get out of that stupid rising or ascending broadening wedge and then continue moving up. Because the way this is right now, we can't really keep going up on this. Eventually it will break down. So not great news. So I don't see an end to the bear market in sight. That's what I was trying to say. I was hoping, but no. So we just need to kind of hold these levels, hold strong. This is why this $6 level is so crucial. And why, yeah, I mean, we were so oversold right here that boom, look, we just catapulted off, and that's on the 30-minute. And look at that volume. That's a nice amount of volume. Let's check the volume now. 74 million. It's gone up 5 million since I started this stream. This is craziness. So it looks like we might hold this level. If we do break down, I will make another video just letting you guys know, hey, we broke this level, where we're going to go. Actually, I'll tell you, if we do break this level, you could expect about $5.30. If we do go down and break this 566, you could probably expect, here, let's go on to the daily. I can't do it on the 30-minute, but you could expect $5.47 or even a little bit lower. Yeah, because if we break this, that's that support. So we have one last level of support before, well, we have two of them at one at 544, 526, and then there's the bottom down here that we don't want anywhere near. That's the thing. We've held strong. We did good. We have not gone below this, which is better than a lot of cryptos. So, and it looks like we're wicking back up now. This is really good. This is what we want to see. So I think that's about all we have for today. I want to at least encourage you guys that ICP is not completely, just tanking. So we have some good volume. Did you see that? 5 million in less than, it's not telling me how long. Well, let me see here. 25 minutes. So 5 million, that's $1 million every 5 minutes that went into ICP just now. And it brought the price up again here. I'll just show you real quick. We were down at what, 582? And now we're up at 595. So it takes a lot of money to move the market even a little bit. $5 million only moved it 13 cents. Can you believe that? $5 million only moved it 13 cents up. Isn't that crazy? So if you have about 100 million, let's see, a million. Oh man, that's going to be hard to do. It's like every 2.5. So 100. Yeah, it would move it like 250. 100 million would move it like 250. So if you want to see internet computer go up to, I don't know, 840, put 100 million in. Not financial advice. Someone sue me for $100 million. I'd be toast. All right, guys. I think that's it. I'm glad you guys showed up. Let me check out the chat before I leave, because not all of it shows up on my phone here. I didn't see any of this. So let's go. It will go down if the interest rate goes above 0.75. Okay, I don't know too much about the details of the Fed, but Motivational Sub is very smart. He actually helped me figure out liquidity on ICP swap, which I will go over in a future video. I do want to explain the liquidity since I do understand it now. Thanks again for that, Amar. Very interesting analysis. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Abdullahi. Sorry for destroying that. Rainy from my location. My network is shaking. I don't think it's raining here. No, but it is pretty cloudy out. And I am still thinking to invest. So I don't want to say financial advice. Fake news, what'd you do? $5, dude. Thank you, buddy. One of these times I'm going to do a backflip. I'm learning now. I'm learning. So one of these days I'm just going to move the chair and do a flip. But we'll see. All right, Jay, am I still thinking to, and I am still thinking to invest. So again, to finish my thought before I saw that $5, basically this is one of the better times when you're on a support level. This is how I trade, and this is how I've won a lot. I wait till it goes to a level that I know is a strong level of support. Watch and see if it breaks. If it doesn't break, boom, that's a good entry point for me. Not saying for you. So just something to think about. It's hard for me to invest because I do not have any income. So I've been there, man. And so if you don't have any income, you might not have any bills either. That's the thing. When you don't have income, you probably don't have bills. When you have income, or when you have bills, you have to have income, or else you don't pay your bills and then you don't have a place to live. So for me, I have to have income. So, but some of us, I don't know your situation. You could need income too. So, but if you don't have any income, you can always go earn. You can earn just go look up tech ops. That's what my brother told me. And that's something I might be doing, is looking up tech ops. And you could do little jobs for these companies that need people. And you maybe just type some stuff, do some stuff, look up tech ops, find a job in tech ops. I enjoy what I do here. Maybe if I can find a job like that, or if I fail at this, I'll probably go look at that, because my brother, he's a developer. He has a 4-year degree. I mean, he's a smart dude. He makes bank. So tech ops is where it's at. I would listen to my brother for sure. So are we going to see Bitcoin at 12K? No. 17.5 is the low. That's my opinion. Some people think we're going back to 10K. Now, here's my reasoning on that real quick. 10K was the low, or the average price in the 2019 bear market, right? Yes, it did go to 3K, but that was crazy stuff in the world happening. Average price was between 7 and 10,000. I watched it, trust me. 7 to 10,000. Now we're in a different cycle. We're on the next cycle. So we don't go, that's what Bitcoin doesn't do. It might go down and touch that. So if we went to 12K, it would be a wick down and that's it. We don't go back down to those previous levels in the previous bear market. That doesn't happen with Bitcoin ever. It wicks down, but it doesn't stay steady at those prices. So 17.5 and 20K is exactly where you would expect it to be in the next bear market after a 10K, 7 to 10K. So think about it. It makes sense. We're right where we should be in the grand scheme of things. That's my opinion on it. So why not? I want Bitcoin. Dude, if Bitcoin went to $1, though, imagine how much it would destroy people's faith in it, though. You got to think of that. Like, we lost our chance to buy Bitcoin at $1. If it goes to $1 again, say goodbye to Bitcoin. For real. I mean, it's over. So it's not going to $1 again. If you can't invest, earn. Dude, Justin, I think me and him think a lot of the same lines sometimes. Yeah, earn. There's apps out there. Coin app, freaking Cointoply. There's so many places you can play video games. You can take surveys. I know in some countries you can't do surveys, but there are some. I forget what it is now, but there's one you can use. But yeah, just be creative. Tech ops, surveys, do anything you can. Get a little bit of money. You know, I wouldn't just recommend if you have a little bit to put it in crypto, but it's hard to get a job here. Yeah, I've heard that. And the jobs that people do get in India, take advantage of them. I know one of my homies, Vanish, they rip him off. It just hurts my heart, man. But there's nothing I can do about that, man. I wish I could. Sorry. I mean, I go over there and tell your government what's up, but they just laugh at me. So I meant earn crypto. Yeah, we knew what you meant. I am currently a college student. Oh, poor college kid. Okay, that makes sense. So get a good degree, man. That's what I have to say. Get a degree. There's so much competition, but tech. That's where it's at. They're needing tech people. So yeah, without investing. Yeah, you can earn it, hold it. You know, you were on EC before. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say the whole name, but yeah. A new subscriber? Where? Weren't you my subscriber before? I don't know. Tripping me out now. Okay. Market taking correction. Yeah, but that's because of the Fed, guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, the Fed, they like to smash down stuff. It's possible, just have to be creative. Yep. How to be creative. Cointoply. I just told you. Cointoply, Coin app, earn XYO, earn crypto. I mean, honestly, I made a pretty penny off of surveys. I did them for like 10 hours a day, though. Every day for a long time. And I earned like thousands. So you can too. Thousands of cryptos. I am new to the channel. No, you're not. What? Are you trying to trick me? I have never bought any crypto, just earning. You haven't bought crypto? You might be missing out, though. Okay. I mean, whatever works for you, man. I can't say not to, just earn. If you're making money just earning crypto, more power to you. I mean, giveaways. Yeah, we're gonna give away some crypto because of that that Twitter thing. YouTube, I don't know. It might get 500 views, but I'm gonna give away some crypto nonetheless. You guys just made me happy, so I'm gonna give away some crypto. Airdrops. I've only had 1 or 2 successful airdrops, and I did about 1,000 of them. Solana was one of them, though. So remember, if you want to get an airdrop that is legit, you got to, and nowadays it's kind of sketchy because if they make you sign something, they can steal your crypto. So if you're getting an airdrop, always make sure it's done in a wallet that you do not use. Make a brand new wallet for every airdrop. You don't want to put your crypto at risk. But if you do about 1,000, you might get 2 or 3 that work. I got Solana. What else did I get? Yoke data. You probably don't know about that one. You can check it out. It's still on Telegram. I made about $1,000 off of it. And then a couple USDTs from crypto exchanges, like 10 here, 15 there. Thundercore. I lost my Pi wallet passphrase after they moved it over there because I reset my phone and I had the fingerprint thing, and I didn't have my passphrase because I had my thumbprint, and then it reset my thumbprint, and so now I can't get into my Pi wallet. 3 years down the drain. So you got to be careful. That was, I think that's their fault, honestly, because they shouldn't set it up. If they tell you fingerprint, that should be an option to use at all times. They say unlock with passphrase or fingerprint. So I chose fingerprint. They didn't tell me you need the passphrase too. if it gets reset. So I think that's their fault. What do you think? Maybe it's my fault. I mean, I'll take the blame if it's my fault. I just think it's kind of theirs. So Carl Franzen, advice: people to smash the like button helps you with the algorithm. That's so true. It really does help the algorithm. So thank you guys. No promotion or stuff here. Nope. Okay, if someone did, thank you for erasing it. Yeah, it's all that stuff will be in the description. If you want to find all of my social medias or like district, DSCVR, it's all open chat. It's all in the description. Telegram, all of it. You can find all of my groups in the description. So, fake news. Here's the $5 one. I should have went with that rope first, huh? Sorry about that. Next time, I'll remember to do that next time since you gave $5. Jeez. Sorry about that. Thank you for keeping it real. You were the first one here. You've stuck with the channel, and I just appreciate you, man. So thank you for that $5. That helps a lot. I mean, just stuff like that motivates me to like, now I'm going to make a better video next time. Like, for real. Anyways, I'm just kidding in the chat. Yeah, so that's what I was going to say. I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? You've been here since the beginning, trying to trick me. No. Okay, well, that's everything, guys. If I missed your comment or question, I'm sorry, but we will do more of these. I am going to do a video where maybe we'll just give out some crypto, and like I said, I'll give you guys some life advice and stuff like that if you want, or not advice. Life, not advice. How do I say that? We'll just talk. How about that? All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!